Hey Bench. Okay, it's your new bike. Once you open the box, take all the newspaper out, that's stuffing, you're gonna find the bike itself and the front wheel, the seat and seat posts, the pedals, and the wrench. I'm trusting that you told me you have an Allen wrench, so I'm not sending that, okay? Okay, so the first step is you're gonna take the seat. It will be wrapped up in bubble wrap and newspaper probably. Unwrap it, take the seat. It'll have a little grease on it, so your hands are gonna get dirty. You're gonna insert it into the seat tube, and it has a quick release, and you tighten it down. And you'll probably have to adjust that at some point for your height. Okay, next you're going to take your Allen wrench, come around to the front of the bike, and the handlebars are twisted to fit in the box. So you're going to straighten them so that they are aligned with the seat, which hopefully is straight also. You're going to take your Allen wrench, it's a number 9 Allen key. You're going to insert it into the bolt and tighten it. Hold it here and tighten. Okay? You'll probably want to go back and tighten that again once the wheel is on. Okay, so now you have 2 of the 4 pieces on. Next you're going to take your wheel. This has a skewer on it, okay? And Ricky's home. She'll probably make a guest appearance. And so the skewer, this part, the lever, should line up with the lever on the back wheel, okay? Which is on the left side of the bike. So pick up the bike by the handlebars, insert the fork onto the wheel, and squeeze your brakes together with one hand. Take the cable, making sure that the cable is inserted into this little doohickey back here, like that, and then it latches into this side. So now your brake is on, and you want to hold the left side of the skewer, the black piece, in place while you rotate the right side, and then tighten it up. Now, you want to make sure the brake isn't rubbing against the rim, so pick it up like this, and it is rubbing. So what you're going to do is open the quick release and adjust it until it no longer rubs, like that. You'll be able to hear it. It's rubbing slightly, but not bad. So you just adjust it in place and tighten it. Make sure this is snug until it doesn't rub any longer. Okay, now